Hi everyone. Let us discuss Cloud Computing Unit 2. Topic 2. Types of Cloud Service Development. 2-mark questions. Name the 3 main types of cloud service development. Give 1 example of software as a service, SaaS. Give 1 example of platform as a service, PaaS. Give 1 example of infrastructure as a service, IaaS. Define SaaS in 1 sentence. 5 10-mark questions. Explain the differences between SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS with examples. Discuss the advantages of SaaS for businesses. Describe the benefits of PaaS for developers. Explain how IaaS supports IT infrastructure management. Illustrate real-world use cases for SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS in modern organizations. Introduction. Cloud service development involves the creation and delivery of applications and computing resources over the cloud, depending on the level of abstraction and control provided to users. Cloud services are categorized into 3 main types: software as a service, SaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and infrastructure as a service, IaaS. These service models enable organizations and developers to leverage cloud resources efficiently, reduce operational costs, and focus on core application functionality without worrying about managing physical infrastructure. For example, Gmail represents SaaS, providing ready-to-use software. Google App Engine is a PaaS that allows developers to build and deploy applications. And AWS EC2 is an IaaS platform offering virtualized infrastructure for complete control over computing resources. 1. Software as a service, SaaS. Software as a service, SaaS, is a cloud service model where software applications are delivered over the internet and accessed through a web browser without any local installation. SaaS platforms typically use a multi-tenant architecture, operate on a subscription-based model, and provide automatic updates and maintenance handled entirely by the service provider. Popular examples include Gmail, Microsoft Office 365, and Salesforce CRM, which allow users to access powerful applications globally without managing underlying infrastructure. The advantages of SaaS include reduced IT management overhead, easy global deployment, and support for real-time collaboration across teams. Analogy: SaaS is like renting a fully furnished apartment. Everything is ready to use immediately, and you simply move in without worrying about setup or maintenance. 2. Platform as a service, PaaS. Platform as a service, PaaS, is a cloud service model that provides a complete platform for developers to build, test, and deploy applications without needing to manage the underlying infrastructure. PaaS offerings typically include development tools, middleware, and databases, while also handling scalability, security, and infrastructure management on behalf of the user. Examples of PaaS include Google App Engine, Microsoft Azure App Service, and Heroku, which enable developers to focus on coding and application logic without worrying about hardware or server maintenance. The advantages of PaaS include faster application development, simplified deployment and integration, and reduced complexity for developers, making it ideal for both startups and enterprises. Analogy: PaaS is like a fully equipped kitchen. You can cook your dishes, develop applications, without worrying about building or maintaining the kitchen infrastructure. 3. Infrastructure as a service, IaaS. Infrastructure as a service, IaaS, provides virtualized computing resources over the internet, including servers, storage, and networking. Unlike SaaS or PaaS, IaaS gives users full control over the operating system, applications, and middleware, while the cloud provider manages the underlying physical infrastructure. This model is highly flexible and scalable, allowing resources to be adjusted based on changing workloads. Popular examples of IaaS include AWS EC2, Microsoft Azure Virtual Machines, and Google Compute Engine, which enable businesses to deploy and manage applications without investing in physical hardware. The advantages of IaaS include complete control over infrastructure, scalability to meet variable demands, and cost-effectiveness for fluctuating workloads. Analogy: IaaS is like renting raw land. You have the freedom to design and build your own house infrastructure according to your needs. Please have a look at the comparison table. Benefits of cloud service development. Cloud service development offers several advantages that make it essential for modern businesses and developers. One key benefit is cost efficiency, as organizations pay only for the resources they use, reducing capital expenditure on physical infrastructure. Another major advantage is faster deployment, enabling rapid development, testing, and delivery of applications without the delays of traditional setups. Cloud services also provide scalability and flexibility, allowing resources to be adjusted easily based on workload or demand. With global accessibility, developers and users can access applications and services from anywhere with an internet connection, supporting remote work and global collaboration. Additionally, cloud service development allows organizations to focus on core business functionality, as developers can concentrate on building features rather than managing infrastructure.